Okay, this is the centroid construction. The centroid is the intersection of the medians, which connects a vertice on a triangle, like this one up here, to the midpoint over here. We need a midpoint along here. So we're gonna connect the vertice to a midpoint. So in order to get a midpoint, you're gonna use the fish to find your midpoint. So if I want the midpoint here, I'm gonna go ahead and give me 2 points on the vertices of my triangle, and you're gonna fish on that bottom side. So adjust the compass so it's a little more than half the distance. You've got your left side. Don't change the setting, do the exact same thing from the right side. And then watch what I do now to find my midpoint, okay? I know that these 2 points, this intersects here and here, okay? But I'm not gonna draw the whole perpendicular bisector in. I'm gonna draw in just a little line right here. And this line right here, this is my midpoint. Okay, so this is just a midpoint. Which means that this segment equals this segment right here. Okay, this segment equals this segment, okay? So that's your first midpoint. You're gonna connect that midpoint to the opposite vertice, and this is your first median. So here is my first median, connects vertice to midpoint. Now we have to do that one more time to find the centroid. You're gonna pick a side to find that midpoint on. So I'm gonna pick this side right here. I'm gonna calculate the midpoint of this side. Again, you're gonna fish on that side and just kind of ignore, even if you want to, you can kind of erase some of these extra marks right here, just so they're kind of out of the way, but ignore everything about this part of the construction. We're gonna do something new. So place your compass on the upper vertice, adjust the setting so it's a little more than half the distance. It's gonna go through that other fish. Don't freak out, it's okay. It's gonna go through that. Don't worry about what's happening over here. Just do your left side, and then we're gonna do the right side of the bottom right-hand corner. We're gonna intersect in 2 places, here and here, okay? So you could see I intersected here, and very carefully, you ignore this arc. I don't care about that arc, I care about this arc right here. Okay, that's the top and the bottom of that little fish that I just made. Now line up your straight edge and just put a little dash right here. And this is your second midpoint. It's just another midpoint. Okay, that means that this side is equal to this segment right here. And finally, I'm gonna connect the opposite vertice and the midpoints across the triangle, and this is my other median. So I've got median number 1, median number 2. 1, 2, and they intersect right here. And this point, which I'll highlight in pink for you, this point right here is called the centroid. Okay, it's got some I don't know, qualities. It's got some characteristics. It is the center of gravity. And if you take a measurement from the centroid to the midpoint, okay, so this distance, for instance, I'll just tell you this distance is about, I don't know, this is about 4 centimeters. What should happen is that the other side of the median should be about double that. Okay, so if you kind of take a look here, okay, I'm about gonna be double that 4 centimeters. This should be 8 centimeters right here, okay? That's your special little relationship with the centroid. That's your centroid construction.